Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another DIY video and I'm converting this men's shirt into a beautiful black dress. I've been looking for such a dress everywhere and I just can't find one that I love. So I decided I'd make it myself and I love how it turned out. Let me show you guys how to do it. All you're going to need is a t-shirt, a bodycon dress for reference, some pins, a pack of chalks, scissors, and a ruler. All I'm doing is I'm tracing my bodycon dress onto my shirt. I wanted this dress to fit like a glove and snatch me in all the right places, so I picked a bodycon dress I really love the fit of. Make sure you pick a dress you like and you'll be good to go. Once I traced the shape of my dress, I just pinned the sides in place. That way the fabric wouldn't move around as I was cutting. This is totally optional, but I recommend doing it. That way you don't have bits of fabric that are just moving about. After pinning, I just cut off the excess fabric and I was good to go. I recommend using a strapless dress or a tube dress to trace your shape. I didn't have that because if you use a strapless dress, you don't have to have the excess fabric at the top. So if you have a tube dress or a strapless dress, good for you. I don't have one, so I had to go extra steps for this. I sewed the sides together. And after trying the dress on, I decided I wanted it a bit more cinched in at the waist. Therefore, I cut off excess fabric at the waist. I know the shape looks a bit weird, but this is going to be on the inside anyway. No one's gonna see it, so no need to worry. Now all I'm doing is I'm cutting off the excess fabric at the top. That way my dress can be a tube dress. And this took literally 2 minutes. I also hemmed the top, though I recommend hemming as you're attaching your straps. Totally up to you. I just got rid of the excess flaps around the chest and I had my dress. After that was done, it was time to cut out my straps. I chose to go with 1 centimeter thick fabric. You can make it thicker if you like, it's all up to you. I just wanted really thin straps for this dress, and that's exactly what I went for. Once you have your 2 straps, it's time to attach them to your dress. As I was saying, you can hem as you attach your straps. I chose to hem before, but yeah, I just chose to attach them by hand. That way they'd be very secure. This took me some time though. I'm not the best at sewing with my hand, and yeah, this definitely took some time. Make sure you sew all ends to your dress. Make sure they're secure. They're not gonna go anywhere. So take your time with this if you have to. Once that was done, this is the final result. I love this dress so much. I think I'm gonna get more shirts and do other dresses. Anyway, that is it for my DIY video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye!